What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Fortune Teller 33, Top Bandit 33, man. Coming back with another video. Today was super crazy, man. The chat went crazy. Our call outs went over like 500 something percent, man. We executed calls and puts, as you can see here on the screen. We called IWM puts, and then we ended up riding SPY calls on the way back up. And as y'all can see today, this is kind of how the market was. It was real like a kangaroo market, jumping up, jumping down. The bulls and bears was definitely battling it out today, leaving SPY in a critical spot. So SPY closed like right between support and resistance. And tomorrow, y'all know, we have big news coming up. We have CPI data releasing tomorrow. This news is going to be big. I think tomorrow is going to be the biggest day of the week. And tomorrow is going to determine what direction the stock market actually wants to go. Because we have a lot of things in the background right now. We have the inauguration. We have a lot of banks reporting earnings. And also we have the CPI data. So this week, make sure you are watching the news every morning before you trade. Make sure you understand the news. And also you make sure you understand how the market is reacting to the news. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, make sure y'all are utilizing y'all apps that we told y'all to use. StockTwits, Yahoo Finance, even Twitter. Just, scrolling through those apps to get a vibe of what the market is feeling like. So let's talk about this CPI data. This CPI data is going to be coming out tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So right when the market opens. So my recommendation would be, as soon as the market open, use your 15-minute rule. Wait 15 minutes until the market open to make your first trade, to see which way the market truly wants to go. Because you don't want to hop in right at 8:30 and the market pump fake up and then gap right back down. That happens all the time. Sometimes the first move is the fake move. So give it 15 minutes to really see how the market feels and how the market will react. Then also tomorrow, another key time you should watch out for is 2 o'clock Eastern time. The Beige book will be dropping. So tomorrow, mark those times: 8:30 Eastern, 2 o'clock Eastern. So when you're trading, keep those two in back of your head tomorrow. And tomorrow, also we have a couple banks reporting earnings. So that's also going to be huge on the market, especially for my SoFi investors, SoFi investors. You guys know I have SoFi shares, a lot of money in SoFi shares. So seeing how the banks perform tomorrow could give me a good look on how SoFi earnings might pan out, or how SoFi might trade these next couple weeks. You know what I'm saying? So key levels to watch out for tomorrow with SPY, man. And you guys know the first stock y'all should check every morning to see what it's doing to SPY, because SPY has a big influence on the market. So make sure y'all know what SPY is doing and where it's at before you place your trades on other stocks. So the key levels I see on SPY is 585.40. And then once we get past 585.40, we got to try that 587.15. And then the next wall after that is 591. So mark those on your trading view app, those key levels there. You know what I'm saying? If SPY breaks 585, you should be more biased towards calls, and that means the market wants to go higher until the next big wall comes up. If you want to play the downside, I would say 578.50, around that range, kind of like the low of yesterday. If that gets broke even more down to the downside, we can end up going all the way back down to 570. So make sure y'all got those levels marked out, because the market moves in levels. Each level has to be broken. Make sure y'all are watching those levels to see how the market reacts to those levels, okay? And then at that point, all you gotta do is execute. You know what I'm saying? If the market is showing bullish momentum, okay, all your other stocks you hold in might follow suit. So at that point, you can start day trading and you can start swing trading setups that you like. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna be watching Tesla as well. Tesla kind of pulled back today late. Don't really know why. It could be because the data come out tomorrow. People just pulling their money out of fear. But I don't think Tesla is done. I think Tesla gonna have a run to 500 soon. But right now we have to break above that 4,190 again, and then after that 412. Once we break those two, I can see it going back to 420, 430, and so far so forth. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, Y'all know I got a lot of money in SoFi. SoFi is forming a wedge pattern right now, as you can see. Just in time for earnings in 2 weeks, just in time for banks to report their earnings this week, man. So I seen today we had a hard time getting over that 1480 wall. I kind of want to see that get broken. I think we rejected that 1480 wall twice today. So that's a big wall we need to knock down if you want to get back to 15. And then after we knock down that 1480, the next major wall is like 1540 if we want to see 16. So make sure y'all are marking those levels out. I will be holding SoFi through earnings. So like I said, I got shares, so I have no time limit on SoFi right now. The next play I want to announce is also Amazon. So Amazon had a good setup this morning, but it just couldn't get over the hump. It had major resistance at 220 area. If we break that 220.60 area, I will swing calls, especially because tomorrow we are getting the CPI data, which is also heavily related to Amazon, because the CPI data is about the U.S. customers, how much money they are spending for goods and services. And Amazon could be considered goods and services. So if CPI data comes in good, you can expect, Walmart, Amazon, Costco, those related stocks to have a big gap up as well. So make sure y'all, are watching those type of stocks tomorrow if CPI data is good, and make sure y'all have y'all levels marked out of prices you want to get in at. So those are the only stocks I will be watching tomorrow. I probably will be trading light tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a big risky day. So I'll probably just day trade lightly and let my plays I already got play out. Simple as that. And before I end this video, I want to shout out to some risk taker members today. Big profits, man, with Tesla. Big profits with calls and puts. I'm gonna show them off right now, man. These are our members that we have trained up, and they have been killing it lately. If you are thinking about joining the Discord, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. Right now the price is $40, one-time payment. Usually our customers make that 40 back within the first 2 weeks. Without further ado, I'll see y'all tomorrow in Discord, y'all. Let's get this money.
Boom, I'm in the NASCAR.